Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the first advent calendar unboxing for 2023. Starting off strong, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. I got this direct from the Charlotte Tilbury website. It launched this past Tuesday, September 12, and this retails for $210. But this does eventually become available at other retailers like Sephora and I believe like Saks. So if you're interested in purchasing from there, I will always post in my Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me on there. But for now, let's just go ahead and unbox this. This is a 12-day advent calendar. The setup is the same, the overall packaging I really like this year. I love the darker color. In the past year, it's been like a brown and a pink. The little knobs are different. I think they're very cute if you're into crystals, little star shape. And then on the top here, this is meant to display like on your vanity or dresser. You can put perfumes and stuff on here. And then at the top here, it just says, "May all your beauty dreams come true," and then in French. So you can display it if you want. I usually just close it up. So again, this is a 12-day advent calendar and the drawers are not numbered. So I think I just start from the top and then I work my way down. So let's just go ahead and start with number 1. I did not look at the contents. In the pictures, they do have little sneak peeks, but I didn't look at the individual contents. But this is how it looks. You have the drawer and then you have this individual maroon tissue paper to keep it secure. This arrived very quickly. I ordered it the day it launched and it arrived 2 days later. Okay, so for day 1, we have a travel size of the Collagen Lip Bath in the shade Walk of No Shame. I love their collagen lip bath. It's like a thick gloss and this one is slightly pigmented. I'll go ahead and swatch this because I am definitely keeping this. Sometimes if I know for sure I'm not going to keep something, I'll just, I won't swatch it because I'll give it away. But that is it. Gives you a boost of collagen on your lips. I love this color. I just think it's such a pretty neutral shade, very flattering. Look at the little doe foot. It's a heart. How cute is that? And even though I didn't look at the individual contents, my understanding is that there are 2 full-size products and then everything else is a generous travel size. So that is day 1. We have the Collagen Lip Bath in Walk of No Shame. For day 2, we have, I like that this year, and I think the past maybe couple years, they changed the packaging so that the contents don't rattle around and break. So I think that's a nice little upgrade that they have this little cutout to keep this in place. But for day 2, we have the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I have gone through a full size of this. I've gone through a travel size. I really like this serum as kind of my final step of my skincare and first step in my makeup routine for the day. Just kind of absorbs into your skin and makes your skin really hydrated and primed for makeup. It's described as a crystal-infused serum for younger looking miracle skin. It has a very nice scent and it's very light, and I love the little travel size dropper bottle. I'll try to include the value as I go, but I will include it at the end. But this little 8 ml size, it's a 0.27 ounce 8 ml bottle. This mini magic serum retails for $30. I mean, that's a lot. So $30 for this little bottle. I think that's a pretty good value so far. For day 3, we have another tissue wrapped drawer. Okay, day 3, we have a mini of the Beauty Light Wand highlighter. I love these cream highlighter and blush wands because they're so easy to travel with. They have an applicator built right into the tube and it just looks so pretty and natural on your skin. This is a 5 ml little wand in the shade Spotlight. I already own one of these. I don't know if I own the shade Spotlight, but I definitely own a few of these wands. So the way this works is you twist, you have the on or off arrows. Right now it's in the off position right there. So you just twist it and then you can see it opens up a little bit. And then when you squeeze it, the product comes through the little puff right there. And it just is so pretty and glistening and gleaming. And you can definitely sheer it out a little more, but that's just how it looks. So you can build it up if you want. I just put this all over my cheeks and I put this on my brow bone a little bit. Very pretty. And then make sure when you are done to turn it back into the off position. So that is the Travel Beauty Light Wand highlighter in the shade Spotlight for day 3. For day 4, we have this wider drawer. And oh, it's already poking through. I think I know what this is. I already own this and I really like it. So this is the Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. And I think this is the full size. It only comes in one size, but it's a roller, like a lip balm. And it just feels so nourishing. You squeeze it and then the product comes through the little roller ball there. So it's just a clear lip balm. It smells very good. It's kind of like sugary sweet. It says that this is a lip conditioner by day, lip mask by night, the Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil. And yes, this is the full size. This retails for $40. So already, I mean, that's a lot. You're getting a lot of product here. Day 5, we have this drawer with the star knob. And just to give you a little close up, that's the little star crystal knob. And then on the packaging itself, you have the gold metallic logo with the little lips design. Okay, so for day 5, oh, okay, this is my favorite. Day 5 is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. And I already own this in the full size, and I might have the travel size here. I don't really want to open this up because I am going on a trip soon and I want to bring this with me. Yeah, I'm traveling soon, so whatever, I'll just go ahead and open it and show you. But I really like this wand. This is a very popular mascara because the wand is that kind of nylon little short stubby bristles that are really good at separating your lashes and making sure everything is coated evenly. But that's it. And the formula is really good. The mini Pillow Talk mascara retails for $15, and that is what you get for day 5. Day 6, we have this skinny drawer. I think it's a pencil. And okay, day 6, we have the Lip Cheat lip liner in the shade Hot Gossip. I'm surprised it's not Pillow Talk. So far, we haven't gotten a Pillow Talk in any product. So this is the pillow. Here's the Lip Cheat in Hot Gossip. Nice neutral. This is actually a pretty decent shade because I can wear the regular Pillow Talk, but for my complexion, I'm fairly tan. Pillow Talk is a little light for me. I prefer Pillow Talk medium or intense. And the shade Hot Gossip, I think, is a little darker than regular Pillow Talk. So we have the Lip Cheat in Hot Gossip for day 6. Day 7. Day 7, we have my favorite eye pencil. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Barbarella Brown, which is a very dark, like an espresso brown. And I remember the first time I opened this, I was like, liquid eye pencil. They just mean that it's very creamy. It's a very creamy formula, which I prefer because I hate when an eye pencil is dry and tugging on your lashes and your eyelids. But that's the shade Barbarella Brown, but it looks like black on me. It's very dark, deep espresso brown. I love their eye pencil formula. So that's what you get for day 7. Okay, moving right along to day 8. We have, oh my God, this is so cute. This is the first brush from Charlotte Tilbury. I think I don't own any of her brushes, and this is for sure one of the first brushes she's included in the advent calendar. But we have the Charlotte Tilbury, I guess it's like a little powder brush face. It could be a foundation brush or a blush brush. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Very soft. I'm so excited to use this. I like when the bristles of a brush are lighter because then you can see if it's really dirty, and then when you clean it, you can see it become clean again. That's just like a personal preference of mine, but my first and foremost, my preference is for a brush to be soft, and these bristles are very soft. So I'm very excited that they made this little change. Charlotte Tilbury mini travel brush. And moving right along to day 9, we have here day 9 is a full-size lipstick. This is in the really cool little cheetah print. This is in the shade Glowing Gen. I don't know if I have this shade, but it's, oh, okay. It's a nice, more of a neutral color, very wearable, everyday lip color. Okay, very pretty. I love the formula. I don't know what type of lipstick this is exactly, but the formula is very creamy, not matte, not drying. It looks very hydrating. So, full-size lipstick in the shade Glowing Gen for day 9. Day 10 is down here. Day 10 we have, oh, okay, I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried this one. It's another mini travel wand, but this is the Matte Beauty Blush Wand. So similar to the Beauty Light Wand, it's the same kind of an applicator, but the formula is different. This is the blush, so it's pigmented, but it's a matte version, which I usually don't prefer a matte blush, but I would like to try this one. Oh, this is in the shade Pillow Talk. So again, let's go ahead and open this up, and there it is. Ooh, that was fast. Okay. And oh, okay. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, don't put too much. I squeeze too much. You have to be sensitive when you try these out for the first time. Just be patient. Squeeze it a little bit and then it'll come out this kind of shot out. But that's the shade. I wonder if you probably could wear this on your lips too as a liquid lipstick. But again, it's meant to be kind of blended out. So that's how it looks. Just gives you like a nice natural flush once it's blended out. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, I just dotted it on my face right now behind the camera. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I like this. All right, I'm excited to travel with this too. This is the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand in the shade Pillow Talk for day 10. And then moving right along, we have day 11, almost to the end here. And we have very nicely packaged and very safely packaged. This is the iconic classic Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is a cream that I have used for years. Look how pretty that is when it's a brand new cream. It's very emollient, very moisturizing, very hydrating. Very nice daily moisturizer. And I actually just started using, I've gone through these several times, and then I just started using the new Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. You know, depending on the season, you know, your skin changes or depending on your preference. If you want a thicker, heavier moisturizer, or if your skin is dry, try the Magic Cream. If your skin is more on the oily side or combination, or if you just want something lighter, especially for the summer, try the Magic Water Cream. I like both of these and I will use both of these. And then for the 12th and final day, we have another bestseller, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I've gone through a full size of this. I've gone through several travel sizes. I like how they repackage this. It has an outer cap and then you have the spray nozzle. The first time I unboxed the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar, this had opened up inside and leaked everywhere and this was empty. So I was kind of bummed out, but they made it very nicely packaged this time around, perfectly intact. This has such a nice scent also. I don't know how to describe this scent, but it's just such a nice classic cosmetic fragrance. It just is so pleasant and it's just a nice way to finish off your makeup. Or if you don't want to wear any makeup, you just kind of spritz this on. I like to spray this on my face throughout the day, especially if you have a powder on. It just kind of lets the powder settle into your skin and it just looks a lot prettier in my opinion. So that is day 12, the mini airbrush flawless setting spray. This size retails for $23. All right guys, that is everything that is in the Charlotte Tilbury Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. We have 12 days. I love how they changed out some of the products, so it's not the same things every single year. I love that they included a brush this time around. This is my first time trying a Charlotte Tilbury brush, and I really like it. I'll include the price breakdown in the description, but if you total everything up, this definitely is worth more than the retail price. All right, guys, that is the Charlotte Tilbury Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets Advent Calendar. I really like the Advent Calendar this year. I think the value is definitely there. Let me know what are your thoughts on the Advent Calendar this year. Let me know if you plan on picking it up. What are your favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury? I will include everything in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in my next Advent Calendar unboxing. Bye.